Are you frustrated because your Google Assistant's turn off the TV command isn't working? How to fix turn off the TV command not working on Google Assistant can seem like a daunting challenge, but fret not. In this guide, we will explore various solutions to fix this issue so you can seamlessly control your entertainment experience with just your voice. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before diving into more complex solutions, verify that your TV and connected devices are compatible with Google Assistant. Not all smart TVs and streaming devices support all voice commands, so double check the specifications and compatibility of your TV model. Visit the manufacturer's website for your TV or streaming device to ensure they officially support turn off the TV command functionality. Step 2. Update the device software. Outdated software can often cause compatibility issues with Google Assistant commands. Ensure your TV and any connected streaming devices have the latest firmware updates installed. Manufacturers periodically release updates that improve performance and fix bugs. To update, navigate to your TV settings menu and look for an option labeled Software Update or Firmware Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install any available updates. Step 3. Check Google Assistant settings. Sometimes settings within the Google Assistant app can interfere with device commands. Open the Google Assistant app on your smartphone and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access settings. Go to the Devices section and make sure your TV is listed and properly connected. If not, link your TV by adding it as a new device. Also, check that the language settings match the language you use to interact with Google Assistant and that your microphone permissions are enabled. Step 4. Relink your TV to Google Home. Occasionally, relinking your TV to Google Home can resolve connectivity issues. Open the Google Home app, find your TV in the list of devices, and select Remove Device. After removal, restart your TV and ensure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Once your TV is back online, re-add it by clicking Add, then Set Up Device, and follow the instructions to link the device to your Google account once again. Step 5. Troubleshoot network connectivity. Google Assistant relies on a stable internet connection to process voice commands. If you're encountering issues, test your network connection. Ensure both your Google Assistant-enabled device like a smart speaker and your TV are connected to the same stable Wi-Fi network. Reset your router if necessary and avoid using range extender, as they can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Step 6. Test using other commands. Try using other voice commands with your TV to determine if the issue is specific to the turn off the TV command or if other commands are impacted too. For example, try saying, "Hey Google, play a specific show on TV," or "Hey Google, turn up the volume on the TV." If these commands work, then the issue might be specific to the turn off the TV function, and you may need to reach out to the device manufacturer for further support. By following these steps, you should be able to solve how to fix the turn off the TV command not working on Google Assistant. Whether it's ensuring compatibility, updating software, or troubleshooting network issues, these solutions will guide you towards seamless control of your smart home entertainment system. Remember, technology isn't perfect, but by keeping your devices updated and properly configured, you can enjoy a smoother experience. Should these steps not resolve the issue, consider contacting the support teams for Google or your TV's manufacturer for additional assistance. Enjoy effortless control of your TV and happy watching.